are two reasons why I brought these ladies up on stage. One, we're going to do something really cool that involves some magic. And two, and more importantly, is I need your help to teach all of these people a very important hand gesture we're going to use throughout the show. Not the one you're thinking of. No, don't worry. That's a different hand gesture. You learned that on the road. So anyway, let me show you folks very carefully the hand gesture that you and I are going to do in just a moment, that I will use throughout the show, looks like this.
Yes.
Thank you, person who works for me. All right. My one fan, because I pay her to be. That's right. Well, let's not get specifics. All right, so, anyways, whenever you see that hand gesture, you must always respond by saying, ooh, ah, yes. Let's try it together, shall we? Ladies, please put a hand out in front of you. Hand out in front. Oh, there you go. Okay, good. All right. I'm sorry, like this. Okay, yeah, this is bad. Okay. Yeah. People get mad when you do that. You know. Do you know how mad they get? This mad. Okay, here we go. If you laughed at that, you are going to a very special hell. I just want you to know that. But it's okay, because I'm going too, and I'm very famous. All right. I'm just kidding. My friend Kyle loves that joke. Do you see my friend Kyle back there? Do you see Kyle? Do you see Kyle? Okay, here we go. Going to hell, going to hell, going to hell. All right, here we go. Now, everybody. Ooh, ah, yes. That's right. Now, I'm going to do that in different parts throughout the show, so you must be on your guard, because at any point whatsoever, I could just all of a sudden, ooh, ah, yes. My God, they're paying attention. Apparently, this is the dry side of the county. All right, so here we go. Now, here's the second reason I brought you up on stage. You see, I need to see if these folks know how to pay attention and follow directions. Now, I can already tell you ladies are fantastic at it. But let's just see if these folks can do the same thing. Yeah! All right, I think they got it. I think they can pull this off. So I think we're going to make this work. Here's what I do. Ladies, now I want you to do me a favor. Take a finger. Thank you. All right, good. Finger. Point it right at the tube. And wiggle. Wiggle, for God's sakes, wiggle. And if you do that just right, wiggle, keep wiggling, just so that way the blood keeps flowing, all right? We do that just right. I think, yes, we've got it. Thank you. Don't mock me. It's this way because I'm Irish, you know. It's green because I'm Irish. That's what the thing is. All right, here, hold that right there. Let's yeah! Let's try it again, ladies. Let's try a whole hand. Point a whole hand right at the tube. And wiggle. Yes, there we go. I think we got it. I think, yes. Oh, that's not bad. You did good. Oh, pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, come on. Show him some love. In fact, you know what? All right, let's try everybody. Everybody, take a finger. Take your finger. Thank you, sir. All right. Thank you for pulling that out of there. All right, point it right at the tube. And wiggle. My God, wiggle. Yes. Grab that one right there. Grab. Yes. Come on. And one more time, ladies. Everybody, take a whole hand. Wiggle right at the tube. Let's see if we've got it. Hold that right there. Grab on to that right there. Hold on, for God's sakes. Yes, hold that right there. Very good. Come on, make some. You both did a fantabulous and wonderful job. This one is for you. Ooh. Ah, yes. Show them some love. Come on. Great. Thank you so much. You guys go back down the steps of death. Be very careful. Come on, keep it going for them. There we go. Did you guys like that? Yeah! Would you like to see more? Yeah! Who wants to see me possibly get seriously physically injured? Apparently my family showed up. That's amazing.